Namaste to everyone present in this session and welcome to the wonderful world of Vedic mathematics. Today we are going to study cube of numbers which are close to base number. In Vedic mathematics, numbers which are made up of 1 and 0 are called base numbers. Or integral powers of 10 are called base numbers. For example, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 and so on. These all are called base numbers. To find cube of numbers which are close to base, we use Vedic mathematics sutra Nikhilam. The formula which will be used is n cube equal to n plus 2d slash 3d square slash d cube. We bifurcate our answer in three parts. The leftmost part is the number plus twice its deviation. The middle part is thrice square of deviation and rightmost part is cube of deviation. But prerequisite is to remember values of 1 cube to 9 cube. As 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729. We take one example to understand the process. If we want to find 11 cube, here number is 11 which is close to base 10 and surplus deviation is plus 1 here as number is above base. We use formula n plus 2d, 11 plus twice deviation, 3 times deviation 1 square slash 1 cube. So answer is 13 slash 3 slash 1. On combining these three parts, the answer will be 1331. We take one more example. Let us take 102 cube. Here number 102 is close to base 100 and deviation is again surplus 2. To find 102 cube, the left part is the number 102 plus 2 times deviation 2 slash 3 times deviation square slash d cube. So 102 plus 4 is 106 and 4 into 3 12 and right part is 8. But remember, the middle part and right part should contain number of digits equal to number of zeros in the base number. So here rightmost part must be of 2 digits. So we put 1 0 before 8. So all deficit digits will be filled by zeros. On combining these three parts, answer will be 1061208. Now we take one example of a cube of number which is close to base but below base. We take example 996 cube. This 996 is number which is close to base 1000, but here deviation is deficiency which is 4, but we take deviation with negative sign. As 996 is below base 1000, whenever number is below base, then deviation is always taken with negative sign. The same formula, n plus 2 times deviation slash 3 times deviation square slash deviation cube. So left part is 996 minus 8 which is equal to 988. The middle part is 16 into 3 48 and rightmost part is minus 4 cube which is equal to minus 64. But is mid part and rightmost part will be of 3 digits as the base number 1000 containing 3 zeros. So we put 10 before 48 to make mid part as 3 digit number, and put 10 before 64 to make rightmost part of 3 digit number. But here rightmost part is negative. So to make right part positive, we use Methylum. Methylum means subtract every digit from 9 and last digit from 10, and at the same time we use Ekanyunayana in middle part. Ekanyunayana means 1 less. So we reduce 48 by 1, and leftmost part will remain same. So our final answer is 98847,936. This will be the answer. In this way, cubes of numbers which are near to the base can easily be found out. But if the number is not near the base and number is near to sub-base are multiple of base like 20, 30, 40 or 200, 300, 400 or 2000, 3000, 4000 and so on. Then the same method with slight modification using sub-base can be used. Here left part will become r square into l plus 2d. Here r stands for ratio of sub-base to the base, and mid part will be r into 3d square, and right part will remain same. We take one example, 52 cube. Here number 52 is close to base 10 and close to sub-base 50, and deviation is surplus 2 here, and ratio is sub-base upon base, that is 50 upon 10 is 5. So 52 cube is r square into n plus 2d. R square means 5 square into 52 plus 2 into 2. Mid part is 3 into d square, 3 into 2 square multiplied by r. R is 5 here, and rightmost part is d cube, which is 2 cube. So it will be 25 into 56. Mid part is 12 into 5, and rightmost part is 8. On simplifying, 25 into 56 is 1400. Mid part is 12 into 5 is 60, and right part is 8. But we have taken base 10 here, which containing 1 zeros. So mid part and right part should be of 1 digit. So this surplus 6 will be carried towards left. So 140608 will be the answer. In place of base 10, we can also take base 100 here. In case of 52, if we take base 100, then ratio sub-base upon base will become 50 upon 100, that is 5 by 10 or 1 by 2, and we use same formula, r square into n plus 2d. Mid part is r into 3d square, and rightmost part is d cube. So it is 1 by 4 into 56. Middle part is 12 by 2, and rightmost part is 8. So it will be 14/6/8. But here we have taken base 100, which contain 2 zeros. So mid part and right part will be of 2 digits. So 140608 will be the answer. Now we take one example to find cube of a number which is close to sub-base and below sub-base. We take example, say 1997 cube. 1997 is close to base 2000. Remember, 1997 base is 1000 and subbase is 2000, and deficiency or deviation is -3 and ratio is 2 here. Subbase upon base, 2000 upon 1000 is 2. So leftmost part is to find n cube. N cube is r square into n plus 2d, and mid part is r into 3d square, and rightmost part is d cube. So here r is 2, so 2 square into 1997 plus 2 times d. Deficiency is -3 here. Mid part is r into 3d square, and d cube, rightmost part is -3 cube. So it will be 4 into 1997 minus 6 is 1991, and middle part is 27 into 2, 54, and rightmost part is -3 cube, which is equal to -27. But middle part and rightmost part will be of 3 digits, as base 1000 containing 3 zeros. So we put 1 0 before middle part and before right part to make them 3 digit number. Now 4 into 1991 will be 7964, and mid part is 054 and right part is -027. To make rightmost part positive, we use nihilum by subtracting every digit from 9 and last digit from 10, and use Ekanunena. In middle part, we reduce middle part by 1 and leftmost part will remain same. So our final answer is 7964053,973. This will be the answer. I hope all of you have learned and enjoyed this method of cubing number which is close to base or close to subbase. Thank you.